I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna be filming alright, hold up. Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna be filming top 5 easiest tricks part 2. If you guys haven't watched part 1, go watch that. I suggest watching that first, because those ones are a little bit easier than these ones we're gonna be trying today. So if you guys want me to continue the series, let me know. I could keep doing that, because I wish I had these tips when I was learning, because you know, no one helped me, but I did it on my own. I made a list so I don't forget. So we're gonna go off the list. I'm gonna try to do these in order actually. So from hardest to easiest, or I mean opposite, you know what I mean. I'm trying to find a song right now though. Alright, yeah, we're gonna do this one first. This one is probably the easiest one. So it's knee knock, foot to peg, back to knee knock. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. You wanna go to the peg, put your foot on the seat, knee knock, bring your foot over to the knee knock over here. You're gonna swing this foot back to the seat. And then you wanna grab the pegs and then grab the pedal. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Bring your foot to the peg, knee knock, foot over, swing this foot back. I'm stuck. You get the point though. My pant leg got stuck. All right, here we go. Wheelie, left foot peg, knee knock, foot over, swing this foot back. There you go. As my foot slipped again. Another tip I give you guys, don't wear baggy pants when you're riding, because they just get caught right on the seat when you're trying to do a trick like this. Look, boom, caught. Peg, knee knock, foot over, back. Real simple, pretty simple. It's kind of like, I call it an adapter to combos, because you can do this, then you can get into the more experienced combos. It's basically one combo that's gonna lead to your next series of combos, what I see it as. And it could also save you from a trick. So say you're falling, and you're like this, and you don't know where to go because your feet are crossed. Just go like that, bring your foot over, and you'll land the trick. Bring the wheelie up, foot to peg, knee knock, bring it over to the frame, push your weight onto the frame, and then pull your foot over to the peg. You want to make sure when you're doing, a lot of these combos require you to put weight on your foot to balance it, to bring your foot to the next spot. So when you guys are doing that, don't just be lazy and just kind of like half do it, because you could fall doing that. And I'm not gonna lie, I've done it a couple times and it hurts. It's not fun. All right, next one. This trick is pretty fun, not gonna lie. I probably said that a lot, but this trick is pretty fun. You can get a lot of combos off of it. So you want to go this foot, right, and then you want to cross this one to this peg. So it's called the crisscross, and this one's really fun. You see a lot of like the riders doing this trick, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do knee knock, bring this foot over, bring this foot back, and then you want to go like that. You want to put your weight, I should explain this better. When you're like this, you want to push your weight on this to bring this foot up, and then you just go back to the pegs, and then you can grab the pedal if you want, or you can add a new trick and keep the combo going. A combo is literally just a series of tricks, so you can make a million variations of different tricks and you could still have fun. So it's just a matter of experiencing, trying new things. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You know, this sport is really not anything to play with, you know. You can get really injured, but you just gotta make that sacrifice, and cause I'm not responsible for anyone who falls or anything, cause you know, you gotta do it at your own risk pretty much, cause this sport can be pretty dangerous, like I said. But yeah, just have fun with it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to crisscross now. So get to the peg, knee knock, foot over, bring this foot over. You're gonna put your weight on this foot, put this foot over, and then you just wanna go up. As you could see, I was trying to explain to you guys how to do it, so. But this is what it looks like in all one motion. Oh. So there you go. The next trick we're gonna try, I call it the jump to knee knock. So you wanna go to the peg, and then it's whatever side you feel comfortable. So if you wanna go this way, you could do that. But personally, I go this way, and that's with all tricks. Everyone has their side that they prefer. So it's just up to you what side you feel more comfortable doing. But what you want to do is you want to go to the peg and you want to jump and bend your knee at the same time, like that. And you're gonna land in the knee knock. And when you're wheeling, you're gonna feel a little bit of shake when you're doing these jump tricks. So it's gonna go like that. So what you want to do, you want to control your brake a little more, so you don't drop the wheel. So you want to jump, and it's gonna shake, and you're just gonna want to lightly tap the brake and save it, save the wheelie, and then you could just go to the peg and then land it. This wind's really against me right now. Push, boom. See that little bit of shake? As the wind was going against me, but you get the point. Look at these. All right, the next trick, I get a million DMs a day for people asking to help them out with this trick. So after this truck goes by, I'll show you guys what trick it is. You wanna go, bring your foot over, and you wanna pull this foot back. You wanna jump and pull this foot back and switch it lightly. Because if you go like this, you're gonna throw the bike that way. So what you wanna do, you just wanna do it lightly, like that. Just throw that foot a little bit back, and you get the motion. You wanna get the motion before you bring up the wheel. Because I'll tell you, this trick is it's not a trick to play with. This trick can throw you in, I don't know how to describe it, but it can throw you in a bad position and it can get ugly. So I've seen the bike go like that and then people flip over the bike. It's pretty bad, but yeah, do this trick at your own risk. But this trick is pretty fun. So if you guys want, try it yourself. Bring up the wheel, foot to peg, push this foot over, switch. See, it's throwing me, and then you just want to switch again. So it's 2 switches that you want to make. So you wanna go one this way, and then you wanna throw this foot back and do it the same way. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys an honorable mention. I forgot it, so I'm gonna just put it in the honorable mentions. So, wanna go to the peg, get to the seat, switch your foot, switch it again, switch your foot, switch it again. However many you wanna do. People call it a two-step, people call it a tap dance. You just wanna switch 2 times, and you wanna get back to the pedals. So you just go to the seat, jump with this foot, jump with this foot, get back to the pegs, land it. Just like this. Hop, 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 hop. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna try to make some variations of the tricks like I did in the last video, but these pants aren't gonna help me, so we're gonna see what we can do. So, here we go. I'm gonna do neck straight. Wind does not like me today. Crisscross, here we go. Alright, here we go. Jump to knee knock. Woo! Oh my God, that was a close one. See what I mean? Sport not to play with. All right, I'm gonna try that again. There we go. All right, here we go. Peg hop. There we go. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys want to see more of this series, let me know. Follow my Instagram at @oneway_Stefan. Go get yourself your own collective C2. www.collectivebikes.com, and then go to the BMX category and you'll see it. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys later.